guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record cash sales on Coconut accounting software, mainly on web browser-based accounting software, so Coconut Web. When you are on Coconut Web, go to Bookkeeping section and click on Add a Manual Adjustment. Here, start by typing in description. For example, I received money from Rachel T. Select the date when money been received. So in my case, I received today, and it has been a payment in. So haven't paid money out, I have received money. Amount, I had £50. And now I need to select a category. So either it's refund, income, other income, or reimbursement. So in my case, it is income relating purely to my business operations, and it was for service 1, 2, 3 in my case. Click Add, and you will have a second pop-up part which allows you to still change category, add more notes, and also attach attachments. So for example, if you send a product out, maybe it's like a delivery note or any other reference what can help you to reconcile this transaction at the end of your tax year. And you do not need to save anything here, just click because transactions have been recorded already here. So this is the way how you can record a cash sale on Coconut accounting software on mainly web browser, so Coconut Web. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below, guys, to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial, as well as my personal review of this accounting software.